Shit. Hello, this is a new video. A repair video, in fact. And this fucking thing again, damn it. But this is the easy one though, because your money and I have a little bit of time. Let's get started, shall we? So, the computer's on and it's running. What the fuck's wrong with it? Oh, it's got an overheating problem now. A while back, I put my computer on it one night, and it just shut off. I knew it overheated. Like, you fucker. Computer in its defense is about 7 years old, pretty close, about 6 and a half. I'm not surprised to see the thermal paste has probably tried out on the thing. What is thermal paste? Well, find the tube right here. Thermal paste keys goes between the heatsink and the CPU, and keeps the CPU from getting too hot. Now, I should mention too, the fan spec already. It's doing pretty bad. Just because this computer is overheating doesn't mean it's the thermal paste. And if it shuts down all of a sudden does not mean it's overheating. But I'm pretty certain that's what the problem is. Given the fact that it's never done it before, given the fact that the fan is running pretty hard. The fan is running pretty hard and then it's shutting down and all of a sudden it's overheating. Now Minecraft, it can handle Minecraft. It's not the greatest, but it's been doing it its whole life pretty much. Hell, I started TechSavvvvy with Minecraft on this computer. I started this channel on this computer. It can do far more than just run the game at the same time. So I'm pretty certain the thermal paste is shot on the computer and dried out. So what I'm going to do today is open it up, replace the thermal paste with a brand new compound. Hopefully it's still good. This is from a few years ago. And ready the computer by the life. Not the life, but make it work a little bit better. Once we got it figured out from doing this for the past couple years, it's a good idea to run the computer for a bit before doing this repair. Because what happens is, this thermal paste is dried out, but it's not completely dried out. It's not completely gone yet. What happens when it's at room temperature or lower, it has to get a glue and holds the heatsink down to the CPU, making it hard to take off the heatsink. Therefore, I'm running the computer now, fucking voice, to help bring up the temperature a bit. So I'm gonna do the top down view. Oh, the battery's fucking dead too. I haven't used it in a while. After a while ago, I didn't want to keep overheating the computer. I had to quit using it for a while. The one next to me having a lot of computers, if one goes out, I don't really care. I can have more I can use in the meantime. Because of that, I just run a custom build computer for games and Xbox and stuff. So this computer getting a problem wasn't in the world for me. One of the boys just having multiple computers. If one goes out, no big deal. I was kind of blind. I had this computer before. I don't remember what heatsink is on these screens, but on this side, no. This side. No, this side. Yeah, this side. The fan rate is. But we'll see. So let's start off. Anytime you open a computer up, always remove any power sources. Charger, and the battery, and the laptop, or just the main power cord and desktop. Okay. Alright. So, the battery. No. So that one first unlocked, or unlocked. Slide that, and pull the battery out. Now, you know where the fan rate is on this one? He thinks it's underneath this panel right here. That'll be underneath. Oh, that one, yeah, that's the right one. Okay. Never mind. There's a smaller one. That's smaller than that, but no. That's what I was looking at. Okay, cool. Wait, oh. That's the wrong one, but no, that's not the wrong one. That's the right one to take off, I think. That's how I use it to the hard drive. Flash SSD in the past to change these out. So, using my iPad kit, not sponsored. We don't do that here. Just not yet. No one sponsors me because I have no viewers. Ooh. I'm going to remove panel on here. And see if I see how it comes out. One bit too small for them. Be too big. Yep. I'm gonna pull stars. That one. Alright, cool. Loose. Alright. Just do this. What else I just did on the video. Trying to get around to it. That one's loose. And now for this one, come on. Very dirty and extra wire. Okay, let's start it. There's sheet right there. What do you think? A bit warm. Okay. So that was it. And yeah, with some of these 4 screws here. Trying this is again here. One of those springy things. For the fan too. And take the water. Yeah. Can't screw into it. It's like ran out. So one more back here. I got them. Never force anything to come out. You know, honestly, I mean, that is pretty fancy. You know, yeah, that is, yep. That's probably right there. Yeah. That'll, look, this is probably the problem right there. Maybe not, but. Right, there's a. Over here. This is the CPU. Present the driver chip. And here's the other thing. I got the wrong pattern. I was like, I really propose. I don't know what here. The fan went, of course. So yeah. Look at the back, actually the dust blower. I don't know if I should do it up here in front of it if I want to. Blow all the dust up there. Out of the fan as well. I'll be right back. gonna what I'm gonna do. Be right back. Alright. Look at my monitor. The camera. There. We're down on the frame. Get the vacuum. Oh, you're on the floor. I don't know what I just did. Still be on the floor. Fuck it. Yeah, just definitely beater. I more than already is. Okay, there. Pretty dusty. Obviously. And now it's time to go back. Favorite audio adjustment. I'm just shit. Oh fuck. Alright, oh, plan B. So, I mean, I'm wrong. And there's like Easter egg coloring cup. In there. You got very quickly, so see okay, you inside the bin. Like YouTube out. Anyway, we're gonna just clean it out this way. Yeah. That's it. The greatest idea in the world, but I'm not sure the drive I start. But yeah. Yeah, that cleaning has never had a chance to live. I got a computer brand new. Christmas 2014 actually. I just got it brand new. Yeah, the motor should be alright. That's it. That's just we're trying to. Enough of the old thermal pads. That we do up on the dresser. Good one. So imagine that that's in the middle. I wouldn't have him. Alright, but oh well. It's just for the thermal pad actually, not the fan, but hey, once you use right. After the heat thing. So what I'm trying to do is get a Well, you know what? Oh, paper towels here. I'm gonna wipe what I can of that rain pad here. Pretty much. Try to think too much. I'm gonna get a mat to work on stuff on. No, I won't. Try to think of one. I already have. Where I am. Alright. Okay, guys, alright. For this guy. Yeah. Yep. Weird. Go. Is that all prepped and cleaned? And I'm not touching or There's no way in the bathroom. There's no way in the bathroom. The toilet just did that for some reason. I thought it just started flushing. I don't know why. It's called the Geforce. Anyhow, I'm going to go now. Actually, then I won't touch that part. That's what I did. I never really tried to figure out that, or there's no way in the bathroom. I thought it just started doing that all of a sudden. Now, we're good to go. Trying to do this stuff is very sensitive to dust, dirt, fingerprint oil, stuff like that. I'm sure this is absolutely clean as possible. Again, rubbing alcohol. Do that. Just rub it down. Like so. Either that's just it or the GPU side thing, not sure which. Get that dirt off. Okay, I will let it dry it on. Just in case I do dry it myself. See nothing in the view that shouldn't be on there. Alright, now we won't touch those two. My bare hands because I just clean them. That's right there. Alright. I'll top this turn. On these 2 points right here. So, wipe this shit off. I'm gonna heat. That's what I heat something. Hard heat something. The knife wire. I'll get the heat off it. And on there. Go around it. Once I can. 2. Well, that's out the venture. On that first, I forgot. Alright. That one has a speck over there. Really clean out of there. Alright. Another spot. And we're gonna start moving on. Alright, man. Let's get rid of the stuff here. We're gonna start cleaning it up. I'm gonna keep it. Oh. Not in your ear. Done it before, but yeah, that's it. I'll get cotton balls, but from these faster. Better about doing. That's why we check this in. Get the button dried out. Oops. There's a thing more stuff. Alright. They're doing this. You don't want to touch the brand, the oils, affect its efficiency. So I do a plastic sandwich bag. One like you use in your life. I literally use it at work for lunch. Just turn the bag. I put it in the one corner. Done. So you know the trick with this is don't put too much and don't put too little. Got it? Good. How much of which we don't know. It's not here we don't. What was that? Dried up already? It's probably a bit too dirty. Let's see. What? Not enough. Just very little time. Alright. I'll tell you I'm trying. In the apricot. Alright, get it rid of it. Alright, can't talk about it. Yeah, that works. Alright. Yeah. No more. Distributor. Evenly distributed. Just like communism. Not. That's still too little. I'm not an expert, but alright, that's alright. Clean up, we're good. Clean that up and we're good. I just cannot see through the logos, and you're good. Some do it differently. There are people that do it to me. People say I'm doing it wrong. This might be one way to do it, so keep that in mind. This isn't wrong. I know how it works. All of I've done it too. So, yes, you can do a dot nil or 5 dots or however you want to do it, but I cover it. I know it's covered. We're good. If you don't like it, do it your own fucking way. I don't give a fuck. You didn't do it my way. That's wrong. Ah, fuck you. Suck my dick. How's that, bitch? I'm a Karen. I say you did it wrong. I'm calling your fucking manager. Ah, fuck you, Karen. Let's hear him do a very, very, very little amount on it. Actually, alright. Expert on this, but I've done the test. It works. Just now. Come on. Where the access? I'm ready to go. Alright. I'm not touching these 2 points here. Go ahead and get a big little bit. Alright, and pop the heatsink and its assembly back in place. Alright, cool. Then you guys done. Do it opposite corners. First, do this corner. Next, turn that down. Do the right one, that's it. Even put pressure on the screws, on the USB, the piece, and ensure you've done it just right. Turn down the fan, of course. Now we'll go to the fan that doesn't spin right, so plug in the power cable for it. The fan that has power, you keep the power. like so. That's it. You're done. Well, cover back on. But yeah. Let's enjoy that stuff. Done and dealt with. Alright. Go ahead. Pop the cover back on. And try to stand back on. Alright, that's pretty hard. Oh, it's just so nasty looking, but that's for another day. Tighten you guys down. Find the battery. There's none of it. Oh, wrong way. That back in. Don't slide in. I'll hurt this one. Look at that. Very damp towel. Right down the top here. No big deal. No big deal. Very lightly wet. Not damp, not very damp. Very lightly wet. And that's it. Alright. Oh shit. Alright, oh well. Wish too I'd ruin the screen on it, but or you know what I mean? Oh, it's the fucking damn thing. Yeah. Let me unhold this. It's better. Oh well. I don't know. Plug in, see what's not. Oh shit. Sounds going in that video. How's it building up? For now, it's very good. I'll play a little bit more. See what you're tonight. So if you want any video clip where I talk to you, then let you know how it goes. See you guys. And now to end the video off right here. This is a success and fail at the same time. So the computer is definitely overheating. I've been taking this open 100 monitor, and it is definitely coming up there intense, in the 80s. It tries to stay in the 70s, but it goes to the 80s sometimes. I use this 90-ish, it shuts off. But I changed it to my paste, and it's still overheated anyway. Well, I think the problem is, when I'm playing on it, on my lab with it, I can't wait to show you guys, because I'm like this. I have it on my lap. I think the problem is that the elements on the bottom are blocked by my blanket or my pants or I'm wearing, so I can't breathe very well. So, what I've done, and by this is the PowerBook, not the MacBook, which was kind of weird because it's not the MacBook. The idea to solve that is I put a piece of cardboard underneath the laptop. It doesn't overheat anymore. So, it's not a bad thing to change it now. The computer is about 7 years old, it probably needed it anyway. As it saw, but it wasn't 100% the problem if I was contributing factor to it. I put it on my desk 2 hours straight, never overheated. I know it's overheating because I checked open a hardware monitor, and it shows the temperature is getting pretty high, so it's obviously overheating. So it overheated after I changed it. I thought maybe the past 5 was having a problem. So I got open hardware monitor, check it, and noticed, yeah, it's probably overheating. So, right now, a piece of cardboard underneath it, it works just fine. So, it was a successful change to put paste, but it didn't solve the problem without the cardboard. Why all of a sudden now I need it? I can't tell you. I don't know. But the problem is solved, it doesn't overheat anymore, and I can use it just fine. So that all being said, you guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. Despite the half fail that it is. Welcome to my channel though, let's face it. And yeah, that's me guys. Take it easy.